So we showed you how to reduce the amount of glare and fingerprints on your car nav screen using a special screen protector from screenprotect.com. So now we're going to show you how to install that screen protector properly on your car, whether it's a C8 like mine or any car for that matter. So with that being said, let's get into this video. So this product comes from screenprotect.com, and they have two different versions, a clear or HD version which helps give crisper colors from your screens, and an anti-glare version which helps reduce the glare and fingerprints you can get on your screen. Both are going to install the same way and are custom cut for any vehicle you have, and I already have a product review video that talks all about these in details if you'd like to know more. So to install this screen protector, the kit comes pretty much with everything you need, and all you need are some extra towels, water, and some kind of general cleaner for prepping. The install is super easy and quick to do, taking anywhere from 5 minutes to 15 minutes. And I'll have links of the products and tools as well as a discount code that you can use should you choose to buy one in the description below. Now to start off, I found it a lot easier to show the process and useful hints through an example application. The film applies very similarly to a window tint, and I had an extra Screen Protect film sample to work with and my C8 spare mirrors, so we're going to be using that. So the first thing we're going to want to do is prep and clean the area. I use the interior cleaner from Chemical Guys that does a really good job of that. After that initial clean, you'll want to use the provided applicator solution. It comes with soap already and just needs to be filled with water to make it work. For the final clean and prep, you'll want to apply the solution and squeegee off for the final clean. After which you'll want to reapply the solution to the surface, and at that point the surface is ready to go. Next you'll need to prep the film and get it ready to apply. Peel back the film and use the applicator to thoroughly damp the film with the solution. You'll want to make sure you completely saturate the film, so don't be shy to use a lot of the applicator solution. Next, you can apply the film onto the surface. The film should be able to slide around the surface. This is exactly what you're wanting at this point, as this will make it much easier to get the film into the final position you're wanting. Once you're happy with the final position of the film, you can then use the squeegee to push out the solution and air bubbles out from underneath the film. Once you have squeegeed that out, you'll notice that the film will stay in place and is set. If you found that a corner didn't line up just right, you can always pull back the film and apply more solution and put back down to help realign the film. Now moving on to the application itself, the process is exactly the same as the example and will work for both the HD and anti-glare films. In this actual application, we're installing the HD version onto the C8. You'll want to place an extra towel underneath your nav screen just to help catch the excess solution as it comes off the screen. Now in general, it's good practice to use gloves so you don't accidentally leave fingerprints on the surface of the film or actual screen, but it's not absolutely necessary. You just need to keep in mind not to touch the clean screen and leave a lot of oils from your hands while you're applying. Just like in the example, you'll want to apply a generous amount of the solution on both the screen and the film. As in the example, apply the film onto the screen and then slide it around to adjust it to the final position desired. If the film doesn't easily glide around, apply more solution. Once you're happy with the final position, use the squeegee to lock the film into place and remove the air bubbles from the back side. You can use the squeegee provided or any squeegee like mine that I'm using. Having a pen squeegee though can help in the tighter spots if you have them like on my C8. Final wipe down and you're done. Also, special note that there can be some very tiny air bubbles left over that'll be seen. This is okay and will go away after a couple of days. For the instrument cluster, you'll install the same way as the nav screen. It'll be especially important to apply a lot of solution to both the screen and film in this case. The film for the clusters is purposely cut larger than the areas to ensure full coverage. There are gaps between the screen and cluster where you can slide the film into those gaps. You'll want to slide the film into one corner first and then into the other corners. If you do it right, all you'll need to do is take the squeegee to lock the film into place and not have to tuck the ends into the edges. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. So there you have it. It's a pretty easy install, not a lot of effort, and really quick to apply. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other how-to videos like this one here for your C8 or car needs.